In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Microsoft Teams notifications on Windows. Whether you're looking to manage your alerts, customize sounds, or adjust notification positions, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you're getting the most out of Microsoft Teams notifications. So let's dive in and start configuring your settings for a more tailored experience. First things first, you'll need to open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, type Microsoft Teams into the search bar. Click on the first result that pops up. This will take you to the Microsoft Teams homepage. If you already have an account, click on Sign In. Otherwise, you'll need to set one up first, but for today's purpose, we'll assume you have an account ready for use. When signing in, enter your email address. After typing your email, hit the Next button. You'll be prompted to enter your password next. Type it in carefully, and then click on Sign In to proceed. Once successfully signed in and you are on the Teams interface, you'll notice three dots, commonly referred to as the More Options menu, in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on these dots to access more settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to Notifications and Activity. It's here you can personalize how and when you receive notifications. Firstly, ensure that the option to mute all notifications except for calls and meetings is turned off unless you prefer not to receive notifications for messages, mentions, and other non-critical alerts. Within the same settings page, you can also change the alert sounds. To do this, click on Default. You'll see a list of different sound options. Take your time to listen to each one and click on your chosen sound. This allows you to have a customized experience with notification sounds tailored to your liking. You also have control over how long notifications appear on your screen before they disappear. You can find this setting under Dismiss Notifications after this amount of time. Make a selection based on your preference, which essentially means choosing how many seconds or minutes you'd like notifications to linger on your screen. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to decide where notifications appear on your screen. Whether you prefer top right, bottom left, or any other position, simply click on your desired spot to set it up. In addition to these settings, you can adjust how chat messages notify you by going into the chat settings and tweaking different elements like likes, reactions, and mentions. Make sure to click on @ mentions and explore the settings available there. Finally, if you wish to adjust how likes and reactions alert you, those options are available too to ensure that everything suits your preferences. With these settings configured, you're ready to enjoy a personalized Microsoft Teams experience that aligns perfectly with your needs.